So today, Research Now presented on finding meaning in mobile behavioral data. We started with discussing just a good understanding of who we're reaching when you're working with mobile behavioral data. And the important thing to consider there is that you're reaching people who are trackable and surveyable. And so that means people with a smartphone, smart device, or a tablet. And then we discussed some of our research around who are these people and important demographic differences around skews on age, much younger, and skews on income, having some very low income people in the frame of people who have a smartphone or a tablet. And from there, we discussed how you can control for those differences, and when you do control for them, the data is very comparable to what you get with other modes. So we next moved on to the types of data that you'll see in mobile behavioral data and what you can do with it.
And we walked through a few of the different types of data that we collect. Looked at location data, looked at application data, website URL data, and then other data that we collect as well, and tried to call out some of not just what we do, but how we do it, and considerations and limitations, and key questions to ask when we're thinking about working with this data. Not only in needing to know the right questions to ask and how we collect it, but also how we present it and how we make sense out of it as well.
So we also had two case studies, a holiday shopping study and an in-store phone usage study. And we showed the types of data that you can collect around where they're going during their holiday shopping, mobile shopping versus digital shopping versus computer shopping and geolocation data. What was really cool was to just understand how all these data streams can really work together to give you the full purchase path picture. And then finally we walked through a study of what people are doing on their phones when they're in store. Are they comparison shopping? Are they using the stores as a showroom and not actually buying? Or are they buying, but while they're on their phone they're texting and emailing and doing all those things we do with our phone all the time?
And then combining survey data with the behavioral data. So understanding some of the why behind the what and giving us really context for what's happening on someone's phone.